This is a minute repeater made by Patek Philippe in the 1920s, so it's 100 years old. And this one has like with two hammers, so one for the hour, one for the minute, and together they strike quarters. So you can see here, I'm going to activate the repeater. Hit start. Then first the hours, and then afterwards we will strike the quarters together, and in the end we'll strike the minutes up here. If I turn it around the piece, then you can see the mechanism for it, and this is all normally covered by dial, and today we have taken it off so you can see inside. So up here you have the two hammers that are going through. You see here and here. Those ones get driven by these parts that come here, and those parts get set with the right time by these cams that are down here. You have one cam for the hour, one cam for the quarter that's lying below here, then one for the minute that is divided into 4 pieces of 15 minutes here. So when I activate it, then the parts comes into the center and it gets set with the right time on the cams, and when they return, then it will first strike the hours. Then this small piece will touch the pins and will start the quarters. And when the quarters are finished, then this arm comes down here, grips the minute rack, and then it will strike the minutes in the end. So this is how the minute repeaters work. With storing minute repeaters, the thing that can be really challenging if they are very used, if they haven't been serviced, and then the parts, when all the bearings and the teeth and stuff like this get used, the parts are moving compared to each other, and then they go out of adjustments, and that is very, very difficult to adjust to make it sound right again. It's possible, but it's a lot of work. And then also the gongs, if the gongs have been rusted and you have to make new gongs, that's also very challenging. So that's the most difficult.